Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.